the first thing I do is I section off my hair, but it doesn't really matter how many sections or what section, or I kind of just do like a half, like half and half. Okay, so then I just throw one side back and keep one side up. After you have your sides sectioned off, you can go ahead and get you some scissors. Hopefully they're bigger than those. I don't know where I found those little scissors. And your hair will usually be a little frizzy or fuzzy after you've had your box braids in for a while, so you can kind of feel and see the texture difference. And you just want to go down a little from your real hair. Make sure you don't go above the frizzier ends. Mines are a little easier to see because I have red tips, which is good for this video. And you just go down a little with each braid and cut it. Okay, so now it's cut. And what you want to do is just grab one. You don't want to take them out all over the place. Like take one out here and then take one out here. Then you'll have like your real hair everywhere. So I like to go in like an order. I'll go from, and you see how you have 3 pieces? I hope you guys can see that. I just kind of stick my fingernail. If you don't have a fingernail, you can use a comb, like a rat tail comb or any type of comb, and kind of stick it toward. I just like to stick it right in there and then just pull it down. Now, you don't want to use scissors. I'm only using scissors because I've been doing this for a long time, because it will cut your hair while it's going down. So anyway, I just peel it apart and I just keep going. Stick it in and pull it down. Stick it in, pull it down. And I just keep doing this. It may look fast. Let me try to do it slow. And stick it in, go down, stick it in, pull it down. And then once you get to the top, you don't want to just yank it out like that, because you can break off those little baby roots that are growing in. They're not that strong yet. And then you have one out. One of 1,000, but one. And then you want to go right next to it and take out that one. Again, we're not going to go pick one from here or anywhere. We're going to keep it cute. And then you just do the same thing. And if you're really good at this, you can just take the 2 outer. You see we have 3. You take the 2 outer ones and just tug them on the ends. It'll unravel it. Look at that. That's half the plait. And then you just do the same thing. You stick your nail in or your comb and you pull it down. Then you go up and down. Down. Sorry. It's early, but people are already messaging me. I'm going to have to get up a little bit earlier. And pull that out. Ooh. Pull it if you're advanced, or pick at it if you're not. And just go down. Stick it in and go down. Do not stick your comb or your fingernail all the way up here.
And try to pull it down. It's going to get all tangled. You want to keep it close to where it's already open. Here, down. You can go up
a little further if you really know what you're doing and your comb go all the way through. And just keep going and do the same thing all the way through, and then you'll be done.